Hello students, welcome to Triveni Memorials in Second School online classes. Today we will discuss one more question of chapter 4, that is determinant. Clear? Question number 1. For what value of k the matrix 2 k 3 5 has no inverse? For what value of k the matrix has no inverse? You know that if determinant of A is equal to 0, it means matrix A has no inverse. Matrix has no inverse. Okay. Therefore, determinant of this 5 to the 10. 10 minus 3k, and you know that is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 3k is equal to minus 10 and k is equal to 10 by 3. K is equal to 10 by 3. This is question number 1. Second question. Second, if A is a square matrix of order 3, determinant of A is minus 4. Then find the determinant of adjoint of E. Order of the matrix, that is 3 cross 3. Second question, very important. If A is a square matrix of order 3 such that determinant of A minus 4, then find the determinant of this. Formula you know very well. Determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power n minus 1. This is very important formula. And for calculating this, you know that minus 4 whole to the power 3 minus 1. That is minus 4 whole to the power 2. It means 16. 16 is the answer. One more question. Clear? Very easy question. Very important property. This is very important property for solving this question. Question number next. Third question. If A is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3 and determinant of adjoint of A is equal to 100, then find determinant of E. This is the question. You know very well about this formula in the previous question, that is determinant of A to the power n minus 1. N is here 3 minus 1, that is 100. You can say determinant of A to the power 2 is equal to 100. Therefore, you can say determinant of A is equal to plus minus 10. Because determinant may be negative or positive. This is the answer of this question. Clear? Correct? Now, next question. If A is a square matrix, fourth question. A is a square matrix such that determinant of A is equal to 7. Determinant of A is equal to 7. Then write the value of determinant of A transpose. Clear? You know about the property. Determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. You know about this property? This is important property. With the help of this property, you can solve. That is determinant of A into determinant of A transpose. Therefore, 7 into 7, 49 is the answer. 49 is the answer of this question. Clear? Very important, one more question. Question number 5. If A is a matrix of order 2 cross 2, A is a matrix of order 2 cross 2, determinant of A is equal to -5, then can you find the determinant of 3A? Question number 5. A is a square matrix of order 22 and the determinant of A -5 and find the determinant of 3A. You know very well about this property. Ka determinant is equal to k to the power n determinant of A. Apply this property in this question. N is the order of matrix. N is the order of matrix and K is a non-zero scalar. When you apply this property in this here, it means 3 to the power and n is here 2 cross 2, determinant of A, that is 9 into determinant of A is -5, -45 is answer. -45 is the right answer. Clear? Question number 6. Write the adjoint of the matrix. Question number 6. Matrix is given A, B, C, D. Write the adjoint of the matrix. 1 mark question, very important question. 1 mark. Write the adjoint of the matrix. Adjoint of the matrix, you know very well. Change these elements. D, A. Change the element of A11 and A22 and change the sign of these elements. Change the sign of this element. -B, -C. There is answer. Adjoint. Next. Question number 7. If the matrix 2x minus 1, x minus 5, 3, minus 1 is singular. In this question, in question number 7 given this matrix is singular. If this matrix is singular, then find the value of x. Find the value of x. And condition, you know, if A is a singular matrix, then determinant of A is equal to 0. A is a singular. A is a singular matrix, therefore determinant of A is equal to 0. A is a singular matrix. Then find the determinant of this. 2x minus 1 into -1 minus 3 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. Find the determinant only. When you multiply with this, that is minus 2x plus 1 minus 3x plus 15 is equal to 0. Here you can say minus 5x is equal to minus 16. Therefore, x is equal to 16 by 5. This is answer. We will check. Here, minus 2x plus 1 correct. When multiply by 3. Minus 3x plus 15. When I simplify, the answer is 16 by 5. Here, this is the property. If A is a singular matrix, then determinant of A is equal to 0. And here that if A is non-singular matrix, if A is non-singular matrix, then the determinant of A is not equal to 0. Next, 1 more question. That is determinant of 3x 1 5x is equal to -1 1 6 minus 2. Find the value of x. Next question 8. number 8. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Don't compare because this is determinant. This is not matrix. Then find the determinant of this. 3x into x. 3x square. Minus 5 into 1, 5. Here minus 2. Minus into minus plus 6. Here 3x square. Minus 5 is equal to 4. Therefore 3x square is equal to 9. Therefore x square is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to plus minus root 3. This is the value of x. Correct? Check again. Firstly find the determinant of first matrix. 3x square minus 5 minus 2 and minus into minus plus 6. 6 minus 2 4. When you simplify, the answer is root 3 plus minus root 3. Correct? This is 1 mark question. Clear? Next, question number 9. Determinant given 3 minus 2 1 0 2 3 5 1 6 5 and 6. Find C23 cofactor. Find the cofactor of the element A23. Cofactor, you have to find cofactor. And cofactor, you know very well formula. Minus 1 to the power I plus j. Minus 1 to the power I plus j. Second row, third column cancel. Second row, third column cancel. 3 minus 2, 5, 1. Minus 1 to the power 5, that is minus 1. Find the determinant. 3 minus 10 into plus 10. The answer is 13. Minus 13. This is the answer. Just find the cofactor of the element. Here. This is the question. Now, next question. You know that question number 10. You know that A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3 and determinant of A is equal to 5. Can you find the value of determinant of A inverse? Determinant of A inverse. Find the value of determinant of A inverse. Can you find? Formula, you know about this property. A into A inverse is equal to I. Taking determinant both sides. Taking determinant both sides. You can write determinant of A into determinant of A inverse, and the determinant of I always 1. Therefore, determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A. Therefore, the answer of this question is 1 upon 5. Here, this is the property, very important property. A into A transpose is equal to I. Correct? This is 1 mark question. Clear? Now, next question. Question number 11. Now, can you tell me A11, capital A11, A12, capital A12, plus A13, capital A13. What is the meaning of this? Can you tell? What is the meaning of this? When you multiply the element of any row or column with a cofactor, then the result is determinant of matrix. Determinant of matrix. This is an important point. this is also the determinant of that matrix. Determinant of that matrix. Here. Next. 12th, when you multiply the cofactor of other row, when you multiply cofactor of other row with the element of other row, when you multiply here A211, A22, A23, then the result is 0 always. Result is 0 always. Right? Thank you.